Hello, 10 ICT. This is Sir Jason, and today we'll be talking about accessing the software update available on our laptop or our PC. So the first step would be on your desktop, look for the search box and type update, and then in the list of the results, click check for update. The next step would be click the check for updates button and then wait while Windows looks for the latest updates of your computer. And if you see a message telling you that important updates are available or telling you to review important updates, click the message to view and select the important updates to download or install. But here, in this example, you'll see that my computer is up to date. And in case that you have the list of available updates, click the important updates for more information. Again, that's all the process on how you can definitely check and access the available updates of your computer. Thank you.